we are back with another episode of
Science with Sarah
and Dad.
Yay!
And as always, we have our camera person, Hannah.
Hello to myself.
And so this week, we are going to be doing the classic Diet Coke and Mentos experiment. But what we're really going to be talking about are geysers. Do you know what a geyser is?
It's a hole in the ground that sometimes erupts.
That's right. So it's kind of like a volcano. And what should they do if they haven't seen our volcano episode?
Look it up on
YouTube?
Yeah, look up our volcano episode on YouTube.
And the balloon one.
And our balloon experiment. This one would be similar, that's for sure. So a geyser is just a hole in the ground, like you said, that water is really building up pressure underneath, and then it comes together and shoots through high up into the sky. And so we are going to replicate what a geyser is. So how do you think it's going to happen inside of here?
I think we're going to drop one of these face emoji, Mentos.
Whoa.
How many? I think we're going to do the whole pack.
We're going to put the whole pack in here to see how big we can make it explode.
It will like come from the bottom, up, up to the top.
That's right, because you know what is inside of here?
No.
There is a gas called carbonation. And the carbonation in here is right now, it's mixed into the liquid. But when we drop the Mentos in, it's actually going to help separate the gas from the liquid, and all the gas is going to come together and form really big bubbles. And because the spout is really small, it's going to push and shoot through here. And so it's going to build up pressure and fire through. Yes.
But how are we going to put the Mentos in and not getting soda all over us? I think what we're going to do is wrap this, put tape on it, slide the Mentos out, and put this on it, and then we put the Mentos in, and then we put, by the time we put that around, and then we're going to pull out the stick, and then we'll release the Mentos and we'll run so we won't get soda on us.
Yeah, it's almost like you've done this one before, huh? So let's build our Mento cartridge just like you talked about. So we put this in here,
Awesome.
and we're gonna roll it up, and I'll hold it while you tape it. How's that?
Just like I said.
Let's put a piece of tape in the middle.
You told me, you were the person who told me we were gonna do this experiment. You were the person who told me that.
All right, let's put another piece of tape over here.
You were the person, not mommy, not my sister Hannah, which is really nice. It was you.
What the heck?
Because we have fun on Science with Sarah and Dad, don't we?
I'm
All right,
offended.
and one more. Perfect. So now, can you pull the Mentos out? So now we have a perfectly shaped Mentos holder.
But we're not ready.
Yep,
Hold
we need.
your horses.
Should I help? Or do you think we can get it? There you go. Careful with that. We don't want to poke ourselves.
No.
And we want to go through, say right about there. Can you push? Push. There we go. Let's make this back into a circle.
Let's see what Mentos we're gonna get. Ooh.
What do you think? Should we load this
And
up?
face emoji Mentos.
Let's see
The
what
face
emojis we get.
This
Wonder
was a surprise one.
If there's a poop emoji. Would you eat the poop emoji, Mento?
Yeah. Ooh, look at the ones
Ooh,
we're
look at
getting.
that pretty face. Should we show the camera?
Yeah, that's a cool one.
It's a pretty face, Mento. In it goes.
Jordan, you need help.
No, I got it.
Okay.
I'll help dump them all out. We can quickly look at them, and then we will load it up and go outside.
Let's see.
Ooh! Oh, look at this one! I found a Maxie!
Oh my goodness! Look at this guy. He's so silly
Look at
looking.
this one.
I found one that's like suspicious.
Aww, look how cute she is.
I found one that looks guilty.
Someone looks happy. He's going to be happy to be helping us with our experiment.
This guy looks like he's gonna burst.
Look at this guy.
This guy looks like he's gonna
Yeah.
burst. Do you think it's
All right.
gonna fit?
Looks like that's going to be all of them. I guess you guys will have to each eat one, and we'll see if we can get one more in here. All right, let's go get set up outside and make this experiment happen. All right, so we're back. We're outside. We're all set up. Let's get the top off. We got our cartridge ready to go with our pin that you're going to pull.
Question.
So we'll put this in here. Yes, Hannah?
Is it a good idea to shake the bottle?
No, you do not want to shake the bottle up first because otherwise it'll explode before the Mentos goes in. All right, so let's pull this out just a little bit. Get it ready. Okay.
Ready?
So on 3, we're going to pull the pin and drop them all in. In 3, 2, 1. Ah!
That's way bigger than the first one.
That was pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Dance break.
So what do you think, Sarah? We just saw a pretty cool explosion, didn't we?
That was so big.
It was so big. It was kind of fun to see all the gas just building up and just shooting up like a geyser. So
I can't believe you stayed there to
yeah, I got a little bit on me. So be careful on this. You got to back up quick. Right now, I
Yeah.
got to go wash my shirt.
Yep.
So we are going to save our bottles because we're going to do a special experiment next week with them. Did you know that?
giving you a hint.
So if you're doing this experiment, save your bottle for next week. Hannah, do you want to give them a clue to what we might be doing?
The clue is it has to deal with a type of weather. So start thinking about types of weather, and then that might help you figure out what next week's video is.
So what's our tagline? Do you remember?
Listen, learn, have fun, science.
That's right. So tune in next week and we will see you on
Science with Sarah.
and Dad. Bye, everybody.